Hazrat Umar ibn Al-Khattab. Conversion to Islam and services. Umar ibn Al-Khattab's conversion to Islam stands as a testament to the transformative power of faith and the profound impact one individual can have on history. Born into a prominent Quraysh tribe in Mecca, Umar was known for his strength, courage, and unwavering commitment to his beliefs, initially as a staunch opponent of Islam. Umar's opposition to Islam was fierce and unyielding. He was among those who actively persecuted early Muslims, viewing the message of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, as a threat to the established order and traditions of Meccan society. His reputation for strength and authority was well known, and his conversion to Islam seemed inconceivable to many. However, Umar's journey to Islam was marked by moments of profound introspection and divine guidance. One such moment occurred when, in a fit of rage against the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, he set out with the intention of harming him. Along the way, he encountered a companion of the Prophet who, instead of engaging in confrontation, advised Umar to first address the issues within his own family. This encounter planted a seed of doubt in Umar's heart, leading him to reconsider his actions and beliefs. Another pivotal moment came when Umar discovered that his sister and her husband had embraced Islam in secret. Fueled by anger and disbelief, he stormed to their house intending to confront them. However, upon hearing verses from the Quran being recited, Umar's heart softened, and he was overcome by the beauty and truth of the words. It was in that moment that Umar's staunch opposition to Islam began to crumble, and he embraced the faith wholeheartedly. Umar's conversion sent shockwaves through Meccan society. His transformation from a fierce opponent of Islam to one of its staunchest supporters was unprecedented and served as a powerful testament to the truth of the message brought by Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. His acceptance of Islam not only bolstered the morale of the Muslim community, but also brought a formidable ally to their cause. The story of Umar ibn Al-Khattab's conversion teaches us many lessons. It reminds us of the power of divine guidance to transform even the staunchest opponents of truth. It also highlights the importance of humility and introspection in the search for truth and guidance. Umar's journey from ignorance to enlightenment serves as an inspiration for believers and seekers alike, demonstrating that no one is beyond the reach of Allah's mercy and guidance. After his conversion to Islam, Umar ibn Al-Khattab emerged as one of the most influential and pivotal figures in the history of Islam. His contributions to the religion, both during the lifetime of the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, and afterward, were immense and far-reaching. Here are some of the key ways Umar contributed to Islam after his conversion. As a Muslim, Umar's contributions to the early Muslim community were invaluable. He played a central role in the expansion of the Islamic State, both through his military prowess and his wise leadership as the second caliph after the death of Abu Bakr. Under his leadership, the Muslim empire grew rapidly, extending its influence far beyond the Arabian Peninsula. Military leadership. Umar was known for his military prowess and strategic acumen. As a companion of the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, he played crucial roles in various military expeditions, including the battles of Badr, Uhud, and Khandaq, the Trench. His leadership on the battlefield was instrumental in securing early victories for the Muslim community and defending Islam against external threats. Expansion of the Islamic State. As the second caliph, successor, after the death of Abu Bakr, Umar oversaw the rapid expansion of the Islamic State. Under his leadership, the Muslim empire expanded into territories beyond Arabia, including Persia, Sasanian Empire, Egypt, Syria, and parts of North Africa. His administrative reforms and effective governance laid the foundation for the growth and stability of the Islamic Empire. Administrative reforms. Umar implemented numerous administrative reforms aimed at ensuring justice, accountability, and efficient governance within the Islamic State. He established the system of diwans, bureaucratic departments, to manage various aspects of governance, including finance, justice, and public works. He also introduced the concept of public accountability, regularly inspecting the conduct of governors and officials to prevent corruption and injustice. Social justice. Umar was deeply committed to upholding social justice and equality within Islamic society. He implemented policies to address the needs of the poor and vulnerable, including the establishment of a welfare system, Bait al-Mal, to support the needy and provide financial assistance to widows, orphans, and the disabled. He also standardized the distribution of zakat, obligatory almsgiving, to ensure that wealth was distributed equitably among Muslims. Judicial reforms. Umar instituted judicial reforms aimed at ensuring fair and impartial dispensation of justice within the Islamic State. He appointed qadis, judges, to preside over legal disputes and administer Islamic law, Sharia. He also established rules and procedures for legal proceedings, emphasizing the principles of justice, equality, and due process. Compilation of the Quran. During Umar's caliphate, the Quran was compiled into a single manuscript under the direction of Caliph Abu Bakr. Umar played a significant role in this process, appointing a committee led by Zayd ibn Thabit to collect and compile the scattered verses of the Quran into a standardized text. This compilation ensured the preservation and authenticity of the Quran for future generations. Overall, Umar ibn Al-Khattab's contributions to Islam were multifaceted and profound. His leadership, administrative reforms, commitment to social justice, and preservation of Islamic teachings played a crucial role in shaping the early Muslim community and laying the groundwork for the expansion and endurance of Islam as a global faith.